Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to update graphics driver Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open start menu and I just use a right click and just go to device manager. Once I go to device manager contains all kind of devices which is installed in your laptop or desktop. Here there will be a display adapter will be there. Each and every laptop has a different types of display adapter. For example, some laptop has NVIDIA, some laptop has AMD, some media Intel, so you can choose according to your need and just use a right click on your Intel graphics or AMD graphics or NVIDIA graphics. Just click update driver. Once you click update driver, that will ask you for search automatically for a drive. Just hit the button to search and get the drive. Yes, so I have searched the best driver installed already in your laptop or desktop. If you want to update, that is if you want to have a latest version, just click here for search for update driver for Windows update. You can select, means it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to update your entire Windows. I just want to close this one and I just want to see which type of updates has happened for my graphics. For example, when and what time it is updated. Just go to right click and just go to properties and you will find a drivers. Once you click a driver, the driver date will be there and the driver version will be there. So this is up to date, so I can't able to again and reinstall the things because already is installed. So similarly you can have access with all your laptop with a graphics card. Without graphics card, if you are using a lot of software, means it will be too difficult to handle the softwares. Yes, just I want to show some kind of a link for download your drivers. So if your laptop or desktop is contain Intel, means I have given the description link for the Intel download drivers link. Just click the link and you can choose or you can search the model and you can get the graphics driver over here. So similarly, if you want to have a AMD Pro graphics, means you have a graphics for AMD will be there, so you can download a AMD graphics card details of drivers. So you can use this link and you can download. And if you have a NVIDIA, means you use this link and you can choose which product of the NVIDIA and which the product series number, product size and operating system for Windows 11 or 10 or Windows 8 or things you can choose and you can download your entire drivers. So use this three link, you can download officially and you can have access, you can update your drivers. If your laptop has contain graphics, lot of graphics, means it may be a slow, so update your graphics drive so that it will be easy to access your entire laptop. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.